are going to skin up Furanodake here in Hokkaido. This is I guess this is our second backcountry trip because a few days ago we actually skinned up Asahidake ropeway because the ropeway itself was closed. Today we're going to be going to Furanodake and skinning up to kind of as close as possible to the Furanodake peak, but probably we'll stay away from the ridge today. And then here in Furano, there's this wild public onsen that we're going to check out very close to Furanodake. So we're super excited to do that. It's called Fukiage Onsen, and it's a wild, completely free public onsen that we'll check out after the adventure. We did a little bit of a convenience store pickup, got our coffee for the road, and we have lunch packed as well as some drinks and snacks for the onsen later. I don't think I'll be filming at the onsen just in case folks are not clothed, but I will probably film as much as I can of the skin up and what we kind of see as we're crossing and hiking up the mountain today.
Seemingly it's like 5 years ago. You know, like there's like a lot of shit.
To the T intersection, and we're just getting our beacons on and getting prepared to find the trailhead. Here is the T intersection that we're supposed to park at for the trailhead. They came from the other side though. Where do you think they went? There we go. It's okay. I have it turned on to send. We started the hike, crossed 3 river crossings, and now we're hiking up the mountain. Let's go. We're currently hiking up Furanodake mountain, and we're about 1,070 meters above sea level. Can see a lot from up here. Yesterday we were skiing the Furano ski resort, and the very top of the Furano side was about 1,060, so we're already higher. Taking a snack break.
I'm eating the beef one.
Yeah, you're eating mine. That's so sad. Just leave the half for me.
Oh, this is yours? I thought you put yours in your own backpack.
I put the kelp one. It's because I had 2, a beef and a kelp.
What? No.
I have a kelp one in there. Oh, I can make
Are you
them.
sure?
I'm sure I had 2 onigiris because I saw you take 2 or 3 onigiris, and then I was like, oh, like scarcity mindset. So maybe I need another one. And then that was the original. I was only gonna bring that one. I packed that one, and then I remember going to grab a kelp one as well.
Can you check your backpack to double check what you put in there? Because at the car I gave you mine, but I didn't pack it for you. I'm humble of those.
Do it for Maria. Say hi.
Hi.
We are now boot packing up because it's too icy. We're officially over 1,400 meters in elevation. I think we're gonna try to get to 1,500 and then ski down. Whew, and the view is so nice. We made it to the top, about 1,487 meters, and we're gonna try to traverse and ski down. It's been a lot harder than I thought it would be filming with this DJI Pocket 3. I think we're better off filming up here on the GoPro. So, catch you later.
Filming now.
Alrighty. See yourself?
I do, yeah.
Hey, handsome.
I'm in there.
Say hello. Alright.
Alright,
We are skiing down.
Get it. Let's try to stay high.
Okay, just check.
Okay, so I think we cut across and we'll try to find the softest spot. But stay high. So we're not like super, ski diagonal.
Oh, the sun's out now. Okay. So pretty though. Holy crap.
This is pretty untouched. We gotta send at least 1 year.
Yeah, this bit is really nice. Looks pretty untouched. How is it? How is it? So dense. Woo! Woohoo! Oh, so such a thrill. I had to sit down because my heart's beating so fast. Why is it so pretty today?
Gorgeous.
Are we still? I see the road.
Let's send out a little jump.
Wow. Whew. Nice jump. Clean one through the trees. Woohoo! Yeah, once you enjoy like 3-link turns, you lose so much elevation. Oh, there's some lines already. Woo. Whoosh. Yeah, okay. so crazy. There's a line here. I like that smarter, flinging the skis over. Yeah, that sounds much better. Can we do that?
Nice.
Let's do that.
He's a professional javelin thrower, okay?
Can you throw mine?
On his resume.
I think I'll maybe pass you my skis. And
Okay.
you let me know how that is.
You want to go or you? Go for it. Okay.
Go ahead.
It's just I tried to kick that step out, but I couldn't. So just
Okay.
be careful.
Okay.
I go first.
Maybe you go first. I'll do the backwards approach. Oh my god. Oh, those leg muscles are. Oh yeah. Hey, why aren't you cheering me on?
Huh?
You didn't cheer me on. I was sick. Did you see that? Sick.
Should I put it in your backpack?
Yeah, try it.
That'd just be easier.
Oh. I think that was the sturdiest one. Honestly, with your ski boots, you could probably get across still. It's pretty waterproof. This one's a little more precarious. Wow. This is so funny.
You got better turns today than at the resort.
I would say we did. We also went higher, so you can't argue with that. Bow down. That can't be good for your knees.
No, I didn't.
Am I gonna make it?
Yeah, you're fine.
All right, we made it. Whew, and this is the intersection where the trailhead begins. We just parked and we're heading to the Fukiya's onsen right now. This is the parking lot and we're about to walk about 150 meters towards the public onsen. Little animal tracks. The onsen's over there.